Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to learn how to use a sweep command in Autodesk Inventor software. For this, we are going to construct a basic model of quarter pin in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started with today's tutorial. First, go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now select the 2D sketch and we'll select the XY plane. Now from here, select the center point arc, and from this center point, first make a rough arc profile. Now go to dimensions, give this a radius of 5 mm. Now go to arc command once again and select 3-point arc. Here make arc profile and give radius of 5 mm. Okay, escape. Now go to line command and we will make the center line. Select here construction. This will be a construction line and here give the dimension as 125 mm. Enter and escape. Now you can see this is a construction line, the dotted line. Now switch off this construction and go to line command once again. From this arc, make a line of dimension 100 mm. Okay, escape. Now we will define it. So go to dimensions. From center line, this will be at 1.25 mm. Okay. Now go to tangent constraint. Select this arc and select this arc. Now select this arc and select this line. Okay. Now this is fully defined. Now go to mirror command. Mirror this arc. Go to mirror line. Center line will be the mirror line. Apply and done. As you can see, here is no profile, so drag this arc and join till here. Okay. Now go to line command. From this arc, make a line of dimension 80 mm and escape. So this is the full sketch. Drag this downward. This is just for reference, and this is the dimension of this pin. Now finish sketch. For sweep command, we have to make a sketch which we want to pattern on this path. This is the path. So we will make a new plane. From here, select plane, select this point and select this line. Okay, this will construct a new plane. Now select this plane and go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Now go to project geometry and project this point. Now go to line command. Here, zoom it. Make a line of dimension 3.25 mm. Okay, escape. Now select the center point or go to coincident. From here, select this green point will be the center point of line and select here. Okay, escape. Now go to arc command and select 3-point arc. Make an arc over here of dimension 2 radius and escape. Now finish sketch. This will be the profile which we want to pattern or sweep, and this will be the path. Now go to sweep command, select this profile, and for path select this path. Okay, now press OK. So this will be the profile. Select this, right click and turn off the visibility. Now you can define color from here. You can take any, you can take chrome polished. Okay, so this is the main profile. So I hope you have learned how to use the sweep command in Autodesk Inventor. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.